English Learning Network.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning channel. My name is Anna, and today I'm going to take you through my daily routine as a university student. Let's learn some useful action verbs together. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock a.m. I stretch my arms and get out of bed.
The first thing I do is make my bed. It helps me start the day feeling organized. Next, I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. It's important to stay clean and fresh. Then, I take a quick shower. After my shower, I prepare breakfast. I usually eat a bowl of cereal with some fruit. While I'm eating, I like to check my phone and read the news. After breakfast, I get dressed for the day. I usually wear something comfortable like jeans and a t-shirt. Then, I grab my backpack and head out to my classes. At university, I attend classes and take notes. It's important to pay attention and participate in class discussions. This helps me understand the material better. After class, I often go to the library to study. I review my notes and complete my assignments. Studying regularly helps me stay on top of my work. In the afternoon, I meet my friends for lunch. We like to chat and relax after a busy morning. It's a great way to unwind and enjoy each other's company. In the evening, I usually return to my house. I might watch a movie or listen to music. It's important to take some time for myself. After a long day of classes and studying, I usually prepare my dinner. Before I eat, I set the table by placing my plate, utensils, and a glass of water. It's a small, cozy space, but I like to keep it tidy. Before bed, I spend some time reviewing my notes and planning for the next day. I like to write a to-do list so I know what I need to do tomorrow. Finally, I get ready for bed. I brush my teeth, wash my face again, and put on my pajamas. I usually read a book for a few minutes before I fall asleep. Now that I've shared my daily routine, let's take a closer look at some of the action verbs I used. These verbs are essential for talking about daily activities. Let's go over them one by one. 1. Wake up. The verb wake up means to stop sleeping and become conscious. For example, I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. 2. Get out of bed.
Get out means to leave a place or position. In this case, it means to leave your bed. For example, after I wake up, I get out of bed. 3. Make the bed. To make the bed means to arrange the bedclothes neatly after you get out of bed. For example, I make my bed every morning. 4. Brush teeth. Brush means to clean or arrange something using a brush. For example, I brush my teeth after waking up.
5. Wash face. To wash means to clean with water or another liquid. For example, I wash my face in the morning to feel fresh. 6. Take a shower. Take is often used with shower to describe the action of bathing. For example, I take a shower every morning. 7. Prepare breakfast. Prepare means to make something ready for use or action. For example, I prepare breakfast before starting my day. 8. Eat. Eat means to put food into your mouth, chew, and swallow it. For example, I eat a bowl of cereal with fruit. 9. Check phone. Check means to look at something to verify its status. For example, I check my phone for messages or news. 10. Grab backpack. Grab means to take hold of something quickly. For example, I grab my backpack before heading out. 11. Head out. Head out means to leave a place. For example, I head out to my classes after getting ready. 12. Attend classes. Attend means to be present at an event or place. For example, I attend classes at university every day. 13. Take notes. Take notes means to write down important information from a lecture or reading. For example, I take notes during my classes. 14. Participate. Participate means to take part in an activity or event. For example, I participate in class discussions. 15. Meet friends. Meet means to come together with someone at a specific place. For example, I meet my friends for lunch. 16. Chat. Chat means to talk in an informal way. For example, we chat and relax during lunch. 17. Relax. Relax means to become less tense or anxious. For example, I relax by watching a movie in the evening. 18. Return. Return means to go back to a place. For example, I return to my dorm room after classes. 19. Fall asleep. Fall asleep means to begin sleeping. For example, I usually fall asleep after reading a book. 20. Cook. Cook means to prepare food by heating it. For example, we cook a healthy meal for dinner. 21. Serve. Serve means to give food or drink to someone. For example, we serve the food before we start eating. 22. Put away. Put away means to store something in its proper place. For example, I put away leftovers for tomorrow. 23. Wash the dishes. Wash means to clean with water. For example, I wash the dishes after I eat. 24. Clear the table. Clear the table means to remove dishes and utensils after a meal. For example, I help clear the table after dinner. 25. Pick up. Pick up means to lift or collect something. For example, I pick up the dishes and take them to the kitchen. I hope these verbs help you describe your own dinner routine in English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be able to talk about your daily activities fluently. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.